So, good morning, guys. So, this is the entrance of Jungle Mount. I mean, actually, that's the entrance from there. So, this is where you park your vehicles. So, almost like 30 people with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 bikes. So, as we step in, this is a huge space here, open space. If you come with your team or something, you can actually spend a lot of time. They have a volleyball net there. There's a lot of space. You can play cricket, and this is a huge space here. Uh, if you want a tent feeling, they also provide you tent here, and you can stay there. And if you can see the foreground in front, you have this beautiful view scenery at the front. So early morning when you get up, you can see this beautiful scenery, right? So good morning, by the way. So I had a wonderful time in this ride. I joined this ORPS Bikers Club. It's one of my friends' Bikers Club basically. So he invited me, and I took it up, and that's why I joined here. So it was a wonderful stay here. Let me take you a small trip into this resort. What all you can do here? Okay, let's go. So as you walk, as you step in, and this is the kitchen, and also also you'll get rooms there, but this is always taken care by the club, so nothing from our side. So that's about the kitchen. Beautiful place to hang out. So you can see these couple small huts here. You have this place for bonfire in the night. In the evening it will be very beautiful. So this is the kitchen and place to eat. Then here, so if you come here, there is a river. So that's a surprise we had. So there's a river here. That's my room. That's where I stayed. Bunch of people, good people. So this is a place to hang out in the night for bonfire, and you can also have good time in here. And that's the river, guys. So they have a couple of activities here. You can do kayaking. The water levels are good. You can also do rafting here. I'm not sure how good the rafting is, but kayaking you can do it on your own. Small round, right? Let's get in here and see. So early mornings here, if you come and sit, spend a time with yourself. A nice place actually to hang out. So if you go a little inside there, from back, you actually get the small river, water falling from the rocks. I'll show you. I took it in the mobile, not in this camera. I took it in the mobile, so I'll show you that. Right, so nice place actually. We didn't get into the water, not allowed I guess, but near the river you can actually play with the water if you're careful enough. And you can hang out here, sit, have fun. Seriously, I mean, weekend ride, Saturday, Sunday, it's a good place to hang out. So morning I got up at 7:30 and I came out. It was so good with the fog around. Right, you can see that scenery actually. Looks very beautiful in real. Not sure how good it is capturing in the camera, but. And there's a trekking point here if you really want to do a trekking, hardcore trekking. 5 kilometers from here you have a point. There's a 3.5 kilometers trekking. That's called Tandanam Mol something. I'm not sure with the name. I'll put it in the description anyway. So you can go there, you can do a trekking. and you have to start early morning. Actually, we went, by the time we went there, it was 9:30, so we were already hungry, and we did not have any plans of taking 3.5 kilometers. We did not anticipate that it would be 3.5 kilometers. We thought it would be around a kilometer or something, but couldn't do. We just came off. So that was a video, guys, here in Jungle Mount. I travelled from Bengaluru here. It's almost 260 kilometers if you take Mysore road, but if you take the other road, it will take around 300 kilometers. Other road, in a say, you have to go to the Nelmangla, Chandrayapatna. From there inside, you can come. We came that way because the road was good, but we just didn't want to take up the Mysore road, which is under construction currently. So there was a video. We had a gala time yesterday. We had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun yesterday, especially. So, and I'll also put the video going back, so in my GoPro. Okay. So finally the trip got over. We all got dispersed at Nelmangla toll, and everyone left home, and I'm going back home. So that was the whole trip, guys. Started yesterday morning at 5 o'clock to be precise at my place, and reaching my home the next day, that is today, at 10:30. And we took more breaks actually than necessary. Someone's luggage fell off, someone's rope came off, so there were a couple of times where we had to stop. If not, it was a wonderful experience. My first official ride with ORPS has been amazing and great. Looking forward to do many more such rides. Apart from that, the Jungle Mount resort was good, decent. The place was very good actually, and since I'm new to this ride, now we have to maintain all the hand signals actually. And as I told you, if we have to stop, if we have to move, if we have to increase the speed, if we have to slow down, now so we have to pass on the same signal to the back guy, right? So doing that, I got a lot of pain in my shoulder and in my hand. That's the only regret I have. Apart from that, it's a wonderful experience. ORPS has done an amazing job in getting this ride done. all were there. Everyone was supportive, everyone were helpful. So thanks to them, thanks to RPS team for making this ride happen, for arranging such an amazing one. So they were very helpful, very cautious, and they were very concerned about all our safety and our food, our stay. Everything was taken care by them. So if you're looking forward to make a ride, do check out their Instagram page and follow them. They'll be posting monthly once at least for one ride. This was one big ride actually with 30 people on board. So they usually also do morning rides or one day kind of trips, so you can also check out that. So if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates, so that you can get the alert or notification whenever I post a video. And if you have anything to say, do comment in my comment section and let me know how was your first ride when you went out officially with any riders club. And that's it, we're back home, and the day starts tomorrow as usual. So till then, I'll see you in my next video. This is Sheikh, I'm signing off. Bye.